Experienced Brooklynslip and fall injury lawyer. A slip and fall is often serious and even life-altering. A fall accident can be regrettable and embarrassing, but it can also be a matter of negligence. If you have been injured in a slip and fall accident that was due to another party's negligence, getting the skilled advice of a Brooklyn slip and fall attorney is crucial. At Kucher Law, our slip and fall injury lawyers have dedicated our careers to the care and representation of the victim. For a totally free consultation with top-rated Brooklyn personal injury attorneys at Kucher Law Group, call now, 929-274-8000. What are slip and fall accidents? Today, falls are one of the leading causes of injuries in the United States. The CDC reports that millions of people suffer injuries in fall and trip incidents each year. Although a fall accident could be inadvertent, the ones caused by the negligence of another are entirely preventable. Otherwise known as premises liability accidents, these accidents occur on another party's property due to a dangerous condition. These could occur on public or private property, but the thing that sets them apart is that negligence is a factor in the fall. Common causes of fall accidents can be slippery flooring. Although cleaning and maintaining flooring often needs to be done during business hours, owners and managers have a duty to keep guests safe and warn them if there is a potential hazard such as a slick floor surface. Unsecured carpets, mats, and loose flooring. Any unsecured carpeting or loose flooring can represent a hazard to those walking in the area. The owner or manager is responsible for ensuring that these walking surfaces are safe for their guests. Unexpected floor transitions. When there is a change in flooring surfaces that is unexpected and drastic, there is an added likelihood of a slip and fall accident. Improperly maintained walkways, sidewalks, and parking lots. Millions of people use private and public walkways in Brooklyn each day. If these aren't properly maintained, it represents a danger to all who use them. In many cases, walkways that are affected aren't always private. These can be owned by the Brooklyn as well as the state. Especially when dealing with municipal and state governments, having the assistance of an experienced Brooklyn slip and fall attorney is critical to your claim's success. Inadequate lighting. When navigating an area safely, adequate lighting is essential. Without sufficient lighting, a guest could easily suffer an injury in a slip and fall accident. Broken stairways and handrails. Stairways and handrails that are not properly maintained or repaired represent significant safety hazards for those who use them. Debris and clutter. Debris and clutter that has been left in an area used by others represent a safety hazard for those who use the property. Lack of warning signs and barriers. When there is a safety hazard that cannot be remedied immediately, signs and barriers are essential to warn others about possible safety issues and to use caution when navigating. A slip and fall accident can lead to a serious injury. According to the National Floor Safety Institute, falls represent the leading cause of emergency room visits in the United States, accounting for over 8 million hospital emergency room visits each year. Falls are especially dangerous to older adults, with 40% of all fatal injuries among individuals over the age of 65 caused by slip and fall accidents. These accidents can lead to serious and even devastating injuries, resulting in extensive medical costs, lost time from work, and even a lifetime of pain and an inability to move normally again. The common types of slip and fall personal injury include head injuries and traumatic brain injuries, spinal cord injuries, nerve damage, fractures and broken bones, most commonly hip fractures in older adults, neck and back injuries, soft tissue injuries, cuts and abrasions, fatalities. How can we help with your recovery from a slip and fall injury? Although some injuries get better with immediate medical attention and a period of physical therapy, some affect injury victims for the rest of their lives. The entire team at Kucher Law's Personal Injury Law Office fights diligently for our clients who have been seriously injured due to someone else's irresponsibility and negligence. Premises liability law in Brooklyn. Slip and fall cases are protected under premises liability laws in Brooklyn and New York. These say that a person who owns or is in control of property must use reasonable care to keep the premises in a reasonably safe condition for the protection of all persons whose presence is reasonably foreseeable. When the party that is in control of the property fails to keep it safe, those who are injured have the right to hold them responsible for their damages. These could include medical costs, lost wages, personal property damages, future potential medical care, lost earning capacity, and pain and suffering. Who is at fault in a Brooklyn slip and fall accident? Under premises liability law, the person in control of the property is legally responsible for any injuries sustained in a slip and fall accident. These can include one or multiple of the following parties: a business owner, a homeowner, a tenant, a management company, a corporation that owns the property, a government or municipality that is responsible for keeping public spaces safe. Brooklyn compensation claims, proving fault in a slip and fall case. In a slip and fall claim, it is the victim's burden to prove that the party in control of the property was negligent and failed to keep the area safe. Questions that will be considered in determining liability can include: did the controlling party make regular efforts to keep the property safe? Did they have a properly trained maintenance staff that should have remedied the issue? How long did the hazard exist? Did the controlling party have the time to know about the dangerous condition or have ample time to remedy it? If they did know about the hazard and attempt to fix it, were those actions appropriate and reasonable? Did the victim contribute to the accident? Getting the advice of an experienced Brooklyn slip and fall attorney. If you have been injured in an accident due to someone else's negligence, we can help. At Kucher Law, our skilled team of Brooklyn slip and fall lawyers has the experience and knowledge to hold negligent parties accountable after a serious slip and fall accident. Contact us today for a free consultation. You pay no legal fees unless we recover compensation on your behalf. Call today for a free consultation from a personal injury lawyer. We are here to help, 24 hours a day, 7 days a week, 929-274-8000.